Islamia 202. How many categories of recipients of zakat are specified in the Holy Quran? कुरान मजीद में 8 मुसारिफीन ने ज़कात का जिक्र है. What is the literal meaning of term abad? Servant. Which caliph announced jihad against munkarin zakat? Hazrat Abu Bakr Razillahu Ta'ala anha. What kind of surahs were revealed before the migration? हिजरत मदीना से पहले आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर जितनी भी सूरत नाजिल हुई उन्हें मक्की सूरत कहा जाता है क्योंकि तब आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मक्का मुकरमा में रहते थे. When a person stays in Mina to perform Hajj, which day of Zilhajj is it? 8th Zilhajj. What is the literal meaning of Hajj? To intend, irada karna. On which occasion prayers were made mandatory on Muslims? नमाज मुसलमान पर मेराज के मौका पर फर्ज हुई थी. What does फुरकान mean? फुरकान कुरान मजीद के नामों में से एक नाम है जिसके मानी है हक और बातिल में फर्क करने वाला यानी कि the differentiator. What is the literal meaning of term Nabi? Informer. What is the literal meaning of term Rasul? Message bearer. What is the first doctrine of belief in Islam? To believe in the oneness of Almighty Allah, yani ki Tawheed. 5 verses of which surah were revealed in the first revelation? Surah Al-Alaq. What is the role assigned to Kiraman Katibin? To record the deeds of individuals. The polytheists of Makkah considered the Holy Quran to be the authorship of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Bible is divided into 2 parts. What does Roza primarily give power to? रोज़ा रखने से हमारी रूह को ताकत मिलती है. The Torah was revealed to which prophet? हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम. ज़बूर हज़रत दाऊद अलैहिस्सलाम, इंजील हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम और कुरान मजीद हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर नाज़िल हुई थी. How many concrete pillars are present in Mina for the stoning ritual at Jamarat? 3. The kafara for breaking a fast intentionally involves feeding how many needy people? 60. One of the prescribed actions for the kafara of intentionally breaking a fast is fasting for 60 consecutive days. Or another way is freeing a slave. In Surah Al-Ikhlas, the concept of Tawheed has been explained comprehensively. The literal meaning of Malak, जिससे मिलकर मलाइका बनता है, is messenger, qasid. At which place is the stay considered Rukn Azam of the Hajj? Mount Arafat, जिसको वकूफ़ अरफात भी कहते हैं. Who is known as the guardian angel of paradise? Rizwan. Who is known as the guardian angel of hell? Malik. Literal meaning of Salat is to pray. In which Hijri year did Hajj become obligatory on Muslims? No Hijri. How many names of the Quran are given specifically by Allah Himself in the Quran? 5. The basis of Islamic Sharia is the law of nature. Root word of Islam, Salam, means harmony, peace and security. याद रहे जब सलाम में सीन के नीचे जेर आ जाए तो इसके मानी उबे के हैं. In which Hijri year did Zakat become obligatory on Muslims? 2 Hijri. Which statement accurately describes Islam? Islam is a universal religion. The primary command regarding the obligation of Hajj for those who are able is narrated in Surah Al-Imran. During Hajj or Umrah, the ritual of Sa'i is performed between which 2 locations? Safa or Marwa. From which language is the word namaz derived? It is derived from Persian language. The literal meaning of the word Aqidah is related to which concept? To tie or knot firmly. According to the Holy Quran, what is the prescribed penalty for making a false accusation of adultery against chaste individuals without producing 4 witnesses? 80 lashes. In the renowned Hadith Jibrail, which of the following questions did Angel Jibrail alayhi salam ask Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Islam, Iman, and Ihsan. What was the name of the place where companions of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gathered to learn and memorize the knowledge of the Quran and other religious teachings? Sufa. In Islamic teachings, how are spendthrifts, those who waste wealth excessively, often described? Brothers of Shaitan. According to a hadith, how many blessings does a person receive for reciting Durood upon the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ once? 10 blessings. What is the literal meaning of the word Sahifa? A written paper. What is the name of the famous student of Hazrat Abu Hurairah Razillahu Ta'ala anha? Hamam bin Munabbah. What value does the letter Alif represent? 1000. इसमें वो आपको एक आयत भी दे सकते हैं जिसमें अलिफ मौजूद होगा और वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि अलिफ के मानी यहाँ पर क्या है तो अलिफ के मानी है हजार. In the background story of a famous hadith concerning Qais, what condition did she set for a man to marry her? If you migrate from Makkah to Medina. इस एमसीक्यू को आपसे ऐसे ही पूछ सकते हैं कि आपको सिचुएशन बता दें और फिर आपसे पूछें कि किसने कहा था. Who is the author of the renowned hadith collection Mustadrak ala al-Sahihain, Imam al-Hakim? A person who has deeply studied the Holy Quran and Hadith is commonly known by faqih. Which legal matters were written by Hazrat Ali Razillahu Ta'ala anha from the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Sahifa Ali? Legal retribution. Hazrat Zainab Razillahu Ta'ala anha was married to Zaid bin Harsa Razillahu Ta'ala anha. True. What is the literal meaning of the Arabic word taqdeer? All good and evil is from Allah. Who is credited with narrating the largest number of hadiths? Hazrat Abu Hurairah Razillahu Ta'ala anha. How many hadiths, including repetitions, are commonly recorded in the renowned hadith collection Sahih al-Bukhari 7275? What was the familial relationship between Hazrat Abdullah ibn Umar and Hazrat Hafsa Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anha? They were siblings, brother and sister. The early hadith collection, known as Sahifa Hamam ibn Munabbah, is extensively preserved and transmitted as part of which major hadith compilation? Musannif Abdul Razak. What is the term for a book of hadith that is typically organized according to jurisprudential chapters? Sunan. Based on its typical organizational method, how is a hadith collection known as Musnad? Primary structure. By the name of the narrator of hadith. How many hadiths which are agreed upon both Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim are reported by Hazrat Aisha Razillahu Ta'ala anha? 174. Who is the author of notable Islamic work titled Al-Wasalak al-Salai Asliya, which is a significant collection of political documents from the early Islamic era? Dr. Muhammad Hamidullah. How many hadiths are narrated by Hazrat Abdullah ibn Abbas Razillahu Ta'ala anha? 1660.